Morning, everybody. It's the winner's choice raffle. Last name out. They could choose either Pearl Jam 10. It's original sealed. They could choose Soundgarden Badmotorfinger. It's the silver limited edition. It's new sealed. Or they could choose 10, the Coke Bottle Clear edition. It's also new sealed. It's numbered. It's number 1346. Okay, there's 18 spots. I'll be using numbered ping pong balls, so whichever number's next to your name, that's your ping pong ball number. It's the same as in the Facebook post. So an empty bag. I got 18 balls in front of me. I'll throw them all into the bag. That's 18 of them. I'll give it a good shake. Last name out wins. Good luck, everybody. First one out is number 17, Rick. Number 14, Rick. Number 7, Thomas. Number 16, Rick. Number 3, Rick. Number 2, Michael. Number 18, Ty. Number 6, Ty. Number 13, Rick. Number 15, Rick. Number 10, which is Ty. Number 12, Ty. Number 4, Rick. Number 9, which is Rick. Down to the last 4. Good luck, everybody who's left. Number 8, which is Rick. Number 1, which is Michael Riley. Our bridesmaid. So sorry. Number 11, which is Thomas Laguerre. He's our winner. Last name out. It's number 5, which is Rick Hegelhoff. Please pay me your shipping details and your choice. I'll get that right off to you. Thank you, everybody, for entering.